Okay. So yeah, like right now, I will go to people just to search for something here. I mean, you can tell me the search,
Yes.
right? Um, so maybe you want like Australia, right?
Yeah,
Or
let's do
which?
Australia. Yeah. Or you try Melbourne or something, or Sydney, just so that it won't be like 22,000 people or something, maybe.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Let's try Melbourne. I think is BOU.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Should come up. There. Nice.
Australia.
It's a lot.
Got it. Uh, what job title do you want? Like, you can tell me something here.
Do like creative, and then if you type in creative, it'll be like creative director, creative, whatever. Just like creative will have like everything, so just creative.
Got it. Just
Yeah.
create it.
And then designer.
Got it. Let's do creative.
Creative, yeah,
Just
yeah, yeah.
just like this. So I think this is a good number. But yeah, you can also filter by employees, right? Or whatever.
Keywords are
I
huge
mean,
too for me.
or keywords, right? I mean, you can do that. But let's put this search just like this, right? Just for
Yes.
the sample, but you can put more variables, right? So yeah, like you can see, I have 1.8K in total, right? And also in the net new. So our goal basically is to get more data in the Save tab, right, for free. That is our goal. Instead of clicking here, because every time you click here, you will pay 1 credit, right? Every time you click access email, you will pay 1 credit. So we want to avoid that, right? So okay. So first thing is, I always sort this by name, just like, right. It's you can use relevance, but I always sort this by name because um, it's better. And I will just copy the URL, right? So I remember the filters that we just put here, and I will just start scraping. So I will put, yeah, let's put 50 pages. Maybe it's a lot, but we can. Okay, and I will
How
put.
many can you do? Like, what's the maximum?
Yeah, you can do 100, right?
100. Nice.
100. Uh, yeah, I will put 50 just so we can just like do this
Get
quick,
it quick,
right?
yeah.
Start scanning, and here I have three algorithms. I will put Smart Permute, which is the one that is the best one, right? It has a lot of permutations. So let's see. Now this paper will just go from page 1 to page 50, right? And so we have to wait.
How long does this take typically?
Yeah, sometimes it's very fast. Like I will say 30 seconds per page.
Yeah.
We can just see how fast this goes.
And
You
what's
know,
the BG mode? PC users.
that one is for PC users. If you have a PC, not a Mac,
Right.
and you can run this in the background, right? So
Mm.
basically, you can go to YouTube, right, and you can uh, watch some videos in YouTube, and then you can come back to the scraper, and then you can switch between tabs, basically.
And
Um,
could you theoretically do like all of the pages and just leave this on for like 24 hours?
sorry, what do you mean? Like,
Like, can you make it scrape all of the pages and just leave it on for a long time?
well, you can only scrape 100 pages.
Okay.
Uh, every time, right? So my recommendation is that 100 pages is around 2,500 leads,
Right.
right? Because it's every page is 25 records. So my recommendation is that you sort the data by name in descending order, and you scrape 100, right? And then you sort the data by ascending order, and you scrape another 100, right?
Right.
So, right, but this, right now it's a little bit slow, but usually it goes faster than this. But I mean, right now it's I think the speed is okay. So you can like go for a coffee, right, or something during this process. Or if you have two screens, I mean, if you have two monitors, right, you can put this in one monitor and you can work in the other one,
Yeah.
right? That's another. Or if you have PC, right, you can activate the this mode,
Background mode.
right?
But you have
Barrel
a
mode.
PC. Can you do that now?
Yeah, I can do that right now. Yeah, I can do that. Let's reach 10 pages.
Yeah.
I can just
So if you
activate
stop
the.
scraping in the middle, it'll just give you everything that it scrapes.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You can stop scraping. And also I have this button here. This is in case something happened, or you can get your last run, your last
Mm.
execution,
Cool.
right? So if for some reason you say like, wow, I mean, like I close this, I close the browser, I do something wrong, right? You can always recover your last execution. So you just click stop scraping just to stop this execution, right? Or you can just click outside the scraper. But here it's creating the file right now. It's yep, it created the file right here. This one,
Nice.
right? Or you can also like click the button. You can also click this button here, and it will also create that file, right?
Mm.
I mean, I can click it right now. So if I click this, okay, yeah, I mean,
Nice.
right. So it just always remember the last execution, right? So let me just refresh this and delete this one. It's the same. Right? So yeah, you talk to me. I mean, you want to run the background mode. That is perfect, fine. I mean, you can just come here and just click this mode, right? And you can put like 10 pages, right? And you can click start scanning, and you can start from page 10. So I am in page 10, right? So I will start from here,
Mm.
just right. So you can start from any page. If you want to start from page 50, from page 60, from page 1, right, you can do it. So we just click this, and uh, it will open the background mode, which is this,
Mm.
right? You can go to Reddit, you can go to Gmail, right? And you can go back here, and it will continue working. I mean, you can like you can do other stuff uh, while this works. Um, so now it's working, the background mode, right? Um, you can also stop the process right here anytime that you want to stop, and you start from page 10, right? Because we just said we're going to start in page 10, so it's just working. Uh, the background mode is a little bit slower because it's loading another page, but overall is good. Um, So yeah, you can go to YouTube, right? And you can watch, or you can go to Reddit, and yeah, like
Yeah.
like do other stuff, right? And you can come back here, and you can like So it will just continue, you know, scraping. So yeah, like really, I mean, I prefer the other mode, the normal mode,
Yeah.
because
It
it's a
makes more
little bit
sense. You
faster.
can do it while you're sleepy. You could do it while you're going to get a coffee or whatever. Yeah, totally.
Yeah, like really, really, you know, um, people also customers prefer the other mode. It's and you know it's for me it's okay because you know I have two screens, so you can like kind of like work in one screen and just leave that.
And then
Sometimes,
for this service, you need an Apollo paid account for like $50 a month, and then you just need
yeah,
that tool, which is a Chrome extension,
that's correct. That's correct.
and it's
Yeah,
very
I mean
easy
if
to
I
use. Yeah, cool.
yeah if I show you my account, I have the paid account right now.
Yeah.
If I go to my profile, maybe here, so I can come here. Right, so you can see. Okay, it's loading. Um, I think it's plan overview, right? It's plan overview. You can see the basic plan that I am using. I am using basic plan. So yeah, you need paid account plus
Scraper.
the scraper, right? And you will get the data. So I will just click stop process. Right, but you know this is going to be running. Um, so we just click stop process, and it has to stop. Okay, perfect. So it just stop. I will close this. Right, I will close this. Perfect. Right. So now you know I will go here, and you know like I will just I will just combine these two permutations file. So I will just maybe put this 85 inside here just to put more data. I mean like really this I am doing this because I executed two runs, right? So just will copy paste. Uh, we'll just copy this one and I will paste it here just so we can have like one file with all the data. Again, I am doing this because I executed two runs. I mean, I did the
So this only gives the email.
yeah exactly. This
Okay.
only gives the you know the permutations available, right? Let me just remove some duplicates here.
Yeah.
So yeah, this gives like this basically creates all the possible permutations based on the data that Apollo provide for free, right? So I will just save this, and here you can see all the permutations. Like really, there is some algorithm there, but overall it's like first name dot
So how would you
last
go
name.
from this to adding more like data enrichment, like website, company name, this or that?
Yeah, I want to explain that. So yeah, basically when you create these file permutations, um, the idea is that let me just um, go to page one again, and I just let me save the URL just so we remember the filters. So I will just go to import, right? So I go to import CSV,
Mm.
right? And I go to select CSV file, and I select the permutations right here. Select this file permutations, which is the file that we just created right now. And I will put maybe spen one, right?
Yeah.
And just click. I mean, you have to view that everything is okay. Yeah, everything looks really fine, and you click import. Um, So now what is happening is that Apollo is reading the file, right? It's reading the permutation file, is trying to match our file with their database.
Mm.
So they are trying to do that matching, um, you know. Um, so every time they find a valid email or an email that appears in the database, they will tell us. They will tell us, hey, this email can be found in Apollo, right? So we are taking advantage of that information, right? That basically they are giving us for free, right? So right now it's a little bit slow, but sometimes this is very fast. Sometimes
Yeah.
this increases really fast. I will go here just to see. Um, yeah, usually this has to increase, right? Um, yeah, right now it's slow, the system, but you know other times is very fast. Like really really fast. The upload process. But yeah, once Apollo upload all the data, right? I mean, we can see the valid emails that we have. But more importantly is the fact that, let me just come here. So so now when you put your filter, right, your filters, Melbourne and everything, you can see that we have 1.8K, right? So I will just save this data. We just like just take a screenshot of this, 1.8, because what's going to happen is that this number will decrease maybe to 1.5, right? This will decrease because we found some valid data in Apollo. So Apollo will say, hey, now I don't have 1.8, now I have 1.5, and the remaining zero point 0.3 will appear here, right, in the save tab.
Mm.
This 1.3,
Mm.
right? So this one is going to be free, like free in this example, right? So free, and the remaining 1.5 will appear here in the net new, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
makes sense.
so that makes sense, right? So basically we are like getting free credits with this method, and you will see that in a moment. It's only that, let's see. Yeah, for some reason, Apollo is taking more time than usual. Mm, yeah, like really not sure what's happening with Apollo. Um, yeah, like we will have to wait this
Yeah,
to
yeah.
to. But I really, I noticed that Apollo in the recent days they are very slow in that part. Sometimes there are days that it's very fast, like I don't know, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. But other times, takes. I think the maximum time that I see that is like half an hour sometimes,
Yeah.
to upload. But really depends on the day, depends on the people using the tool, and all those factors, right? That maybe they are not paying the server, right? They are not paying the bills to make this fast. but and it's not even a lot of data. I mean, sometimes I upload like many permutations, like
Yeah,
you
ten
know
thousand. Yeah,
10K here. Wow. But like I can give you an example,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
For
yeah.
example,
There we are.
a successful CSV export. No, I think this is for another file
Oh, okay.
that I, that I created. Yeah, let me go back to lists and see. No, it's still like zero,
Yeah,
right? I mean, like it's still like under. But let's do another example, right? The
yeah.
one that is 10,000. Um, so that file was okay. I think I have to go to here. Yeah, just to
Yeah.
just come here and come to import and exports, right? And I will just select like a really big file, maybe like this one, right?
Yeah.
This is like the documentation that I uploaded. So in this case,
Ten K saved. Yeah.
yeah, I have this save tab, right? And you can see that some of them has the name and the title, right?
Yeah.
For example, here, right? So this one is a valid permutation, right? This one is a valid permutation. Um, Also like this one and this one. So one way to just have the valid permutations is like I mean one trick is that you can sort this by job title, right? That's
Hmm.
one trick that I sometimes do. So you sort, right? So you can these ones are valid. So this data is valid, right?
Yeah.
So you can just go to the save tab and you can export this data for free,
Wow.
right? That you can really just like I mean just I mean when you do this trick, you
Yeah.
have to be sure like how many pages do you have, like
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
so maybe here you have like 5 pages. I don't know. Yeah, you have more than 5 pages. So the idea is that you come here and you just uh, select the beginning. So that this is one way. This is one way to do it. So I will just put here maybe like maybe like 120, right? Just to make an example. Um, and you can just export this for free. Um, so you just click export, export all emails, right? So with that, you can have like this free data, right? Um, so again, right now Apollo is very slow. Also, usually
Very
this
quick.
goes
Yeah.
right, but I mean, really depends. I will click here just to see the export history. Right, this is like this loading. So that way, like sorting by job title and then like just clicking export is one way, right? One way to do it. Um, but usually, what I prefer to do is just copy, the original URL, right? This one that has all the parameters, right? And then just filter by list and filter by email status user manage, right? So that's another method, and I prefer that method because you get all the data that that you got for free. So we just refresh. So this is the data that we um,
You just got.
just got for free. Yeah, just like using the our method, right? And you have like title,
Everything, yeah.
everything, and here the idea is that this is user managed, right? So this is
Yeah.
user managed, but this data comes from Apollo
Yeah.
because they tell us, they put the title, they put the first name. We just put the permutation and they gave us everything, right? And now the next step is you have to copy, the emails, and this is what I am doing, right? I copy the emails, I go to my software Matchcraft and just validate those emails. uh, let's see how many are valid, right? If I go here, new job, maybe spend two, and just click submit new job and click execute.
Wow.
Right, so when I perform this, like I mean, here you will see that how many emails are valid, right? Out of those, like 23, which are very. So it's loading. Um, because like every time in Apollo you have to validate the emails, um, and like really, um, there are like three types of like results. Either you have valid, invalid, or catch all. um, right now I am working on a new feature that will tell me if the catch all is valid or not valid, right? Because
Right. Because it could
that
be.
is more that is more difficult to validate the catch all because it's more tricky, right? And I would tell you the trick right now in this video, like what is my idea to validate the catch all.
Yeah.
I will tell you.
How do you
Let's
validate this?
Yeah, this basically is I am using my algorithm, right, to validate the the emails, and here basically is like checking if the email exists, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's just, yeah, it's completed, right?
Nice.
Espen, let's see now, like really you can see that we have some catch all, right? um this one is invalid, one is valid. There are some catch all, right? And now like really recently I learned how to validate the catch all. This is something that I just learned like this week, I can tell you. So let me just open this. Okay, so here you have, right, like the
Yes.
um, the results, right? And you can just use VLOOKUP to just assign this
Yeah.
to here, to sorry to here,
To the
right? You
main
can
one, yeah.
just put you can put like a new column here. It says insert status, right?
Yeah.
You use the status, so whatever. Um, yeah. So this is one way to do it. Recently, I learned how to validate catch-all. And really,
So
I
this
mean,
will
I
be
am,
introduced in like a new feature in the Matchcraft service.
yeah, like I am working on that. I am working on that, so we can just reduce, right, this number to only valid and invalid, right? So we can just reduce this to only two options instead of three, right?
Yeah.
So right now I am validating the catch-all
Yeah.
manually. Like really, what I am doing is I can teach you
Yeah.
is I can come here, like I will just put data, maybe like a filter. I just put catch-all, right?
Yeah.
We have this catch-all and just copy this. I go here and just move this. Um, now this is my method. Maybe it's not like really the perfect method right now. I am trying to automate this, right? But I will just save this, fail, save as, browse. I will put just like catch all validation,
Yeah.
right? And let's put like CSV.
Yeah.
I will just put like this. Okay, just close this. Now I will go to instantly, and I will just uh, upload this in one, like here, for example, just to know the source. So we just click on this, control
How much is
here.
instantly to have a month? Is it expensive?
Um, 37, I think.
Oh,
So now instantly is checking the email provider for free, right? So they will tell me like which is the email provider,
wow.
right? So let's wait, and this is free.
Yeah.
This is free. So let's just wait. Let's see how Apollo is going. Contacts. I think it's contact import. Yep, it's really slow. I mean, this will occur at some point, like
Yeah.
uh, right right now it's not like loading, but no, everything works. Like you can see in my history,
Yeah. Yeah.
it works. Let me go back to instantly. Who's that here? So this one is also okay. It's coming.
Ah. Right.
Right. So you have okay. So yeah, in this case, I am not able to see I can only see this one, Microsoft, and this one is other. But sometimes you get like Google, right? So if I come here, for example, to leads, sometimes you get Google, right?
Hmm.
So when you get Google, right, you can go copy this email. You can copy this email, and you can go to. Let me just check if I have another meeting. No.
Yeah.
And you can come to Google, sign in. So you can come here. You can put Google.
Ah.
Yeah, you click add. Like sign in, and you just put the email, the catch-all,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Google, and you click next. So this email is valid because it
It
will,
worked. Wow. That's cool.
you know you can see the password, right? If it's valid, you will see like this
Could
email
you
is not valid.
could you get an algorithm to do that for you? That step.
I am working on that right
Ah.
now.
Wow. Okay. Cool.
I am working on that right now. It's a little bit tricky because I'm trying to understand the cookies,
Yeah.
how to avoid detection. I am doing experiments right now. It will take me probably like 3 weeks, 4 weeks more or less to just try to bypass the limit with that. So it just takes time just but that is how you can validate catch all emails,
Yeah.
right?
That's
Right.
really cool. Well, I think I can. I think I understand this. I didn't record this myself, so I just like
Yeah.
just look back if there was anything. But cool, man.
Yeah.